The accurate representation of an entity in a specific space is critical to understanding and optimizing space utilization. Historically, occupancy was centered on employees. How many people were in an office at a given time compared to total capacity. The dedicated office model meant employees were the primary entity tracked. Conference rooms, meeting rooms, social engagement spaces, and other collaborative areas were designed based on estimated needs without substantial longitudinal data. Hoteling or free address expanded the occupancy conversation from a binary event to proration across time, which influenced space utilization. Instead of a single percent for a day or a week, for example, we were now calculating utilization by time for each individual space, creating a matrix of sorts to better understand how spaces were being used. The pandemic profoundly impacted how knowledge workers view the office, creating more granularity in occupancy and utilization calculations. Post-pandemic behaviors, from leaving a briefcase on a chair while using a meeting room to spending a day in a company cafe, also impacted utilization, increasing the types of areas that needed to be tracked. Data-driven workplace design has also shifted measurably due to the pandemic, moving from square footage per person to square footage per event as a core method of calculating space needs. These data points become the foundation of workplace design. For example, think of a team of 10 employees who meet Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in an office and need a meeting space that seats minimally 10 to 12. This same space, with flexible seating, offers free address work areas on Tuesdays and Thursdays, increasing the fungibility of space uses through furnishings and flexible design increases usability. The pandemic also highlighted individual employee needs, from DEI, trust, and belonging, to designing for neurodiversity in learning and working environments. Each country approaches these differently based on culture, common practices, and local law. While there are no universal occupancy strategies or metrics, companies are recognizing the value of listening to employees' needs, following research for similar geographies and industries, and recognizing that a company can't use somebody else's data to solve their own challenges.